So I just learned something pretty dumb. Not all 440 crankshafts are drilled for the pilot bushing on a 4-speed transmission. And it just so happens this motor is a 75. And it also happens that it is not drilled for the pilot bushing for that 4-speed. So, there's two options that I found online. One option, you drill it yourself. Sounds a little sketchy. Apparently there's a bunch of horror stories of guys going too far, and if you go too far, oil comes out, and that's not good because it needs to stay in your engine. So the other option, is the one I'm going with, is you use a pilot bushing out of like something else, FC 69907, I think. Let me check here. Oh, the dogs are playing. So I'm using FC 69907. And what you do is you have to shorten the input shaft on the 4-speed, which, ow, I have no problem doing. And then this fits into the area on the crankshaft in theory. So I'm about to try that. Sorry. So I actually forgot to show the install of the bearing, but it just sat right in there. You can see it, kinda. It's not the thing with the splines, it's past that. So that is the more modern Magnum bearing. It fit right into the recess on the crank area where originally the torque converter would go. Now we're going to shorten the input shaft. We're going to take measurements and actually cut it properly. But I've been told it's about 1/2 inch, then you want to taper it. And if that all goes well, my bearing retainer, I meant to get it machined because the hole in my blow-proof bell housing that I got used, of course, doesn't actually fit this truck style retainer. So we're going to take 4 millimeters off the entire outside edge of it. I meant to take it to an actual machine shop, but due to this whole COVID situation, we were unable to. How do I put this? The garage looks very different, obviously. I'll tell you why. So even though I'm trying to get the Mustang ready for that event in a month, which, by the way, trying to get some parts out of the US are incredibly difficult right now. But that being said, I closed the door on my Monaco, and the window blew up. I will show you a better picture of the broken glass now. And back to us. So, I couldn't find glass anywhere for it. I ended up finding glass for a very similar car in like a farmer's field, so hopefully that's gonna fit, but no guarantees at this point. So what I'm gonna do is take apart the door panel. Because I can show you here. Take apart the door panel. Take apart this door panel. This window's got some issues, so I'm gonna take off that panel, remove the little mechanism in there, and boom boom, hopefully we got a working window system again. I don't know if that worked. Getting the window off was really easy. Like really easy. 2 screws for the handle, screw for the upper window thing, screw for the lower, well, normal window, twist off the mirror thing, and then just pulled it off. All those stupid clips all around it. Anyways, there's a lot of broken glass in there, which you can't see. Let's see if I can. Oh yeah, look at that glass. Somehow this is part of the window. Like, it goes on there somehow.
This goes like that.
Alright. Alright, here's the new glass. I hope it fits. I really hope it fits. Well, there's not a lot of good angles. So I will do it like this. Really hope this works. Well, that's the window install. It probably wasn't too exciting, obviously, but I'm not gonna touch the back window just yet because I am gonna. I'm not gonna touch the back window just yet because I have plans and I need to get ready for my plans. This week I'm going to one of those rock climbing walls, and the next week I'm climbing a mountain, which sounds awesome. Like I've said before, this is not a how-to. This is trying to be like a, this is my life with lots of cars, though. Since this is my life with lots of cars, I'm going to have some, not on this camera, because this camera is too expensive to go up a mountain with, but like a mountain, like it's burning hot out right now. It's middle of summer. It's going to be freezing and I need a winter jacket and there's going to be like 10 feet of snow. Maybe not 10 feet, but some of the pictures I saw, the snow was higher than the tents, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, I'm climbing a mountain next week. Don't know how this will be shot, but I'll be taking my GoPro and there'll be like a little bit of cool stuff, not too much because no one wants to see anyone climb a thing. But everyone likes to see pretty scenery and beautiful views, so. Yep.